Once again, Ray, I'm going to be
This is our invisible fasteners. Here you can see it's shaped like a T. So we make a slot on either side. So when we put it in and we screw it down, it pulls the board down. That's a good 1/4 of an inch. And when the boards go together with this clip like that, we feel that the joint's too big. You can see down, you can see into the joist, you can see down to the ground. It just doesn't make as nice of a deck. So we then take a joint or a router and we router a little bit out of the back, so this next board covers the clip a little extra. So from one side it goes flush, from the other side it covers a little deeper.
so we can level it out nicer with the bricks.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.